Okay, having a first look at the Visuino new version 8, and I'm going to upload the Portenta by going there, clicking, going up to the top, actually crunching down Arduino and going to ARM, even though it's an Arduino ARM. We actually want the M7 because it's the outer core. And while that's loading, I think I'm going to just reorganize this. There. Give us a little more space and maybe even zoom in a little bit more. So here's the Arduino Portenta. And if you do nothing else, load this up and have a look at what is here. You've got your Wi-Fi, and I'll eventually learn how to use this. You've got some of the serial, you've got the I2C channels. Well, this is the interesting part, which is not easy to figure out. I've been working with the Portenta for a couple of years. Here we have our digital 0, which has PWM and obviously digital. And if we go down, we've got all these numbered pins, and then here's the SPI pins, and here's the I2C pins, and here's one of the UART pins. And here we go, we got pins 15s, 18, telling you it's digital, and this is analog in. Nicely laid out for you. Here you have some more digital pins 26, but here it gets interesting. These are the pins that are only accessible by the high definition connectors. So here we've got digital listed, and it's got the PD4, PD5. It's all nicely laid out for you here. Let's see if there are any unique ones. Here we are. We're getting up to 162, 168, 107. There, an analog PWM. Here's another analog PWM. Things I didn't know, and I've been working with this for ages. And then we have some SPI channels. So even if you never use the Visuino method of programming where you've got all these things you can include, and I must admit, I don't know anything about it yet, but I'm going to learn. Just this layout with the Portenta where it actually gives you some of the information about all these pins that you have access to on the board and the ones that you need something fancier to have access to, like the breakout board or a PCB I'm making. Anyway, that's it for an introduction.